living water. With Water Alive, you get the power of nature every day. Water falls as rain from the sky. Every drop vibrates with life energy, called bio-photons in quantum physics, and contains the entire spectrum of Earth and Sun frequencies, which provide us with vitality. The water seeps away. Different rock strata purify the water and enrich it with minerals, e.g. lime. Such pure water forms an underground source, from which the potable water network is supplied. A journey through kilometers of pipes, tanks and basins begins. Kilometer-long pipelines and pump stations, high pressure, electromagnetic fields and information from heavy metals and chemicals. Natural vital force, vibrance and structure are lost. The number of biophotons is drastically reduced. Water without energy cannot provide you and your family with any more energy. Water Alive provides your water again with characteristics of fresh, living well water. The natural water structure is recreated, enabling it to unfold its positive traits yet again. This can be tasted as well as felt. By means of the unique KeyQuant technology, lime is virtually pulverized. In this manner, deposits are prevented and can be removed easily. Recreate your water. Recreate yourself. Water Alive by KeyQuant Technology.